Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today's video is about some photo editor software that's are for PC, and these softwares are really cool and comes with lots of feature. By the way, I'm gonna add 5 photo editor that's are really underrated, and I'm not adding any popular photo editor like Photoshop or Lightroom. In this video, I'm gonna show you fully underrated 5 photo editor that's are really cool you can install and try right now. And let's start the video. Before starting video, if you are new to my channel, then please like, share and subscribe my channel. Number 5 is Coral Photo Merge. Coral Photo Merge is extraordinary tool that help you to break through the visual clutter, and it is easy to create scroll stopping, share worthy and photo animation that will capture and hold the attention of viewer. And advance your social media game. This software is really easy to use, and anyone who can use computer can create animation with Photo Merge, and this software price is $69. Number 4 is Dxo Photo Studio 10. Dxo Photo Studio 10 is the latest iteration of fantastic photo editing package. Dxo is digital photo editing software. It's allow you to delete or cut out the object and create photo montage and optimize image. The photo editor is the easy to use, and the pro version allow you to add filter and textures, and its pricing is $49, means $50. Number 3 is Dxo Photolab. Photolab is an advanced image processing software developed by French Dxo company. It offers everything that competitors do. This software has high quality RAM processing, raw processing technique and easy to navigate platform. It is also include all the essential photo editing adjustment that you can wish for it. You will find out the interface similar to Lightroom, and the difference is that Lightroom comes with monthly subscription. Meanwhile, Photolab need to be purchased only once, and also its price is higher, $129. CaptureOne. CaptureOne is professional grade photo editing software that designed for pros and serious photos. It was first created with theater image capturing in mind, but quickly branched out the more full-fledged image processing program. Now it's offer exceptional raw image file processing and image cataloging, layer, local adjustment, keystone adjustment, as well as the all about the feature one could accept out of the Pro image editing app. There are few different programs available, including both free and paid. You can use this CaptureOne software for free. Also, you will get pro version of this by paid. Now come to the number 1 is Luminar AI. Luminar AI recently became really famous photo editing app for computer for its AI feature. Luminar AI claimed to be world's first photo editor that fully powered by artificial intelligence, and it's here with fill out obviously gap between the basic image editing apps and pro leaning program like Photoshop. Templates are the heart of Luminar AI and function like highly advanced version of preset or filter. And best feature of Luminar AI is Skyline that can change sky of image in just one tap, and you can add your favorite sky on your picture with Luminar AI. So guys, that's all for today. If you are looking for better photo editor, you can check out now website, link will be available on my blog. And thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, like, share and subscribe my channel for more content.